Hey everyone, we are in Big Springs and we are headed over to City Park.
Are you burning up?
I had actually been to this City Park the last time I was here, so. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out and we have the kids with us. Rossi Poo is here. Dana is here. Dana Poo.
Banjo Poo and
Banjo
City Poo. And Moo-moo Poo.
And Moo-moo Poo. Everybody poos here.
Everybody poos here, that's right. Everybody poops.
So we'll see you at the park.
Okay.
Your what?
My heart is melting. My heart is melting.
Smelting.
No wonder Can I go over here?
Yeah, that way's clear.
Oh my god, I thought he was
right
parked.
there. See where that?
Yeah,
go,
so just
oh,
wait.
okay,
There's nobody behind me, so.
Alright.
Oh, it's like in this parking lot?
No, see that entrance
okay,
right
the
there?
road?
The
Yeah.
yes.
Alright, and there's a guy coming, but he's going
Yeah.
over. It's on Whiskey. Ooh, I wonder if you can camp here, no?
Now, see, they even have the, I think that's to prevent you from coming in.
Oh, they close it at night?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice though. Wow, this is a nice little park.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
You like it a lot? It's the parking.
A lot of people, but like really
Think green.
and clean.
Nausea. Then you said come out inside.
Come on, outside. Come here. Uh-huh. I know, I said inside. I meant outside.
Nausea! I accidentally called you nausea.
I know, that's what she said. I was like, nausea?
I know, but that really, you know what nausea?
I know what nausea means.
I know, I didn't think about it until after.
Some kind of egg hatched already, or I don't know if it was broken into. But anyways, not sure what kind of egg it is. I remember the last time I was here. This is a really beautiful park. I always enjoy when I come here. Oh, where are you going? Hey, he's trying to get out of the scene. I see you, right there. So what are you, lady? Why are you hanging upside down on the swing set? You're a monkey.
Yeah.
Lord. Did you hurt yourself, sir? Hey, are y'all ready?
Ready?
Go!
Am I
That
dead
face.
yet?
No.
Am I dead yet now?
No.
I'm dead.
You're just dizzy. You'll be okay. Wow, that is a loud bird up there. He's not happy about something. Oh, it's those kind of blackbirds. I'm not sure if it's a crow or not, but possibly. Me no either. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a crow or not. I'm sure somebody will let me know what it is. It's a nice, clear, beautiful, sunny day today, too. With a nice, cool breeze. Right by the water. So beautiful here. Such a beautiful, relaxing day. I could probably just sleep here. Totally cover my face. And oh, that seemed unpleasant. She's gonna get you, she's gonna get you.
How could she get me when she's not on a leash?
No, I was talking about you're gonna get her.
Come here.
She is.
I like this. I'm gonna get you. Whoa!
Adults on the swing. It looks awkward.
Yeah.
Pop it on some trains.
Look at Auntie.
Now look,
This.
it's pug life. Pug life.
Oh yeah, I have a shirt that says that.
Pug life. Hey, pug life. Gas station. There's gas cheaper up the road, about 2 miles, but since I stayed here at this Walmart, I am going to spend my money here and support them. It's only, I think, like 6 cents difference, so it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pay the extra, just get gas here, since they were nice enough to allow us to stay here, and then we're going to be getting back on the road. So I just finished filling up. Time to get back over to them and then get on the road. Oh, okay. There's Ross. You ready? I'm ready. Alright, I'll get behind you. Huh? I know, I'm gonna swing around and get behind you. Alrighty. Time to get on the road. Onward Bound.
Jasper Klein, Big Spring, Texas, Onward Bound.
Thank you. Bye now.